Okay, this is Tom again. It's now 10 a.m. and in single sideband maybe. Hearing a little more activity. Again, now it's 10 a.m. So more people are up now. And I noticed on my previous video on this Lenovo i3 using OBS software to capture, I didn't have the higher resolution. I was only 480. Now I should be 720, and you will notice that this has moved up considerably, about 75% overall. So that's because I'm theoretically capturing at a higher screen resolution, which I want 720. 480 a little low, especially for showing like SDR Uno, which has a lot of going on in the screen. So I heard a person a few minutes ago said he was on Clearwater Beach, and he was calling CQ. He didn't. That's probably a DXer. But my point is, I am getting activity down in my workshop using the...
That car can get into the parking space. I don't know what she's doing.
Let me stop. Oh, jeez. I've got to, let me change these parameters here, because I didn't save it the last time I changed them. So let's change this to, oh, I got it, wait on signal. Okay, let's change the time it's on a signal to 10 seconds instead of 3. And let's try again and see if we can stop it when I get a signal. So that's about the third different person I heard in the last 10 minutes. That's single sideband, I believe. Now, Clearwater Beach. Now that's the guy that I heard before, and he was on AM. So let's switch this. Let's see. Gosh, I forgot. I want to change the mode to, here it is up here. Now the question is it lower or upper? Let's try upper sideband. It should be still listening. May have to tune it. And he's not going to transmit. So I think he was originally transmitting on AM, and then he got no responses, so he switched over to single sideband. Now, I believe if I start to scan again, it'll revert back to this mode that is in the memory bank. So he's not talking anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and scan. So I guess it's like somebody mentioned in a comment, it's a matter of timing now, is listening at the right time for transmissions. Not, I think there's 2 or 3 people may have like transmitted at on the hour.
I'm fluffy and I start stretching. Peekaboo, you know who.
That guy is probably running much more than 5 watts. And it could be, I know many years ago when I used to listen to CB radio, there was a guy, yeah, that's when I lived down in St. Petersburg, and there was a guy that was in Canals Park about 20 miles from me. He had back then I drove past his house, and he had about a 50-foot tower with a huge Yagi antenna. And he was on the air like 24/7, working skip. And that was back then when it was pretty easy to work skip. I doubt if it's the same guy, but it sounds like the same guy. Okay, I think I missed the window of opportunity. Main thing I want to do here is check to see if I changed the OBS screen capture software to give me a higher resolution and the effect. And you can see I'm kind of in the yellow here. Whoop, just went up. Whoa, it went to red and stuck in. Oh, now it's peaked out. I don't know why it peaked out there. Could be that, let me turn this off. I'm on the internet too, so let me turn that off. And let's see, it's still up there. Pretty high. 75% overall. The program itself is still not using much. But I think the OBS software, since I doubled the resolution that it's capturing in, it's using a lot of CPU power. So we'll see how it goes. I'll upload this video and see if there's any dropouts or anything. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.